بله هەگە پرسی وە هەبن ئەم کانم دەست پێ
I want to thank everyone for hosting us here, me and my friend Azad. I'm honored to be here. I'm here because I was in the region a couple weeks, and my friend been telling me about Sharak and been telling me about the great work he's been doing. And also with the refugee situation that's been going on here, over 2 million being displaced. I wanted to come and visit the region and see for myself and try to bring some light to the situation internationally. As if you guys don't know, my family are also descendants of refugees from an island called Haiti. In 2010, we had a big major earthquake. So right now in Haiti, there's a refugee problem happening right now with its neighbor, Dominican Republic. So my mission, besides me being an artist and entertainer, is to try to bring attention to refugees around the world. And so this was a great opportunity for me to come here and visit the camp and, like I said, bring some more international spotlight to the hideous situation. Well, a lot of artists back in the States, or people in general, I don't think they know much about the Kurds in the situation. And I think they should know. And it's one of the reasons why I'm here, to hopefully bring some spotlight to it. From what I know about the Kurds, I know how do you say the fighters?
peshmergas.
The peshmergas are the ones that's been standing up against the terrorists and the violence. That I do know as much. And coming here, I get the chance to see it for myself, to be able to step foot in this land